Recovering deleted messages on Outlook can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a guide to help you retrieve those lost emails. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or access it through the web browser. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where the messages were deleted. Step 2. Go to the Deleted Items folder. In the left-hand sidebar, locate the Deleted Items folder. Click on it to view all the emails that have been deleted but are still recoverable. Step 3. Search for the deleted messages. Scroll through the emails in the Deleted Items folder or use the search bar at the top to find specific messages. If you find the email you want to recover, select it. Step 4. Restore the selected messages. Right-click on the selected email or use the options in the toolbar. Choose Move and then select Inbox or another folder where you want to restore the message. Step 5. Check the Recoverable Items folder. If the email is not in the Deleted Items folder, go to the Folder tab and select Recover Deleted Items. A window will pop up showing emails that can still be recovered. Select the messages you want and click Restore Selected Items. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages successfully. Remember to check your Deleted Items folder regularly to avoid losing important emails in the future.